Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I groom my eyebrows at home. This is really an easy and fast way to make your eyebrows look put together without always waiting for scheduling your appointment with your parlor lady. So let's get into the video. So you always want to start with mapping out ideal natural shape of your brows, whichever you prefer. Firstly, start out by locating three most important points, which after joining will give you a map as to how you need to carve out the brown boundaries of your brows. Begin by taking any pen or brush, and then for the first marking point, you need to place the head of your brush across the round or bulb of your nose. Remember, not across the nostril but across the bulb of your nose. So now you see the point where my pen is intersecting with the head of my brows. So now you need to mark that point as the initiation of my brows. Now for the second point, slant your brush a little bit such that it intersects with the center of your pupil. But this time brush should be placed at side of your nostril but not at the bulb of your nose, okay? So now you can see when I look straight, there is a point at arch of my brow where the pen is intersecting right at the center of my pupil. That will be the point of arch. So now you again gotta mark that point. Now for the third and last point, you again gotta place it across your nostril and slant it a little more such that the tail of your brush or pen meets the tail of your brows. So this point indicates ideally the place where your brows should be ending. And trust me, this process goes with any eye shape as we are literally following our own natural features like our own eyes and nose. Now what you want to do is join all these 3 points and you will end up having the most natural and ideal shape of your already existing brows. Now after I have a guideline of my preferred brow shape, what I'll be doing is I will be brushing my brow hair upwards, then I'll start tweezing or plucking out the hair outside that demarcation like I'm doing right now. You can easily get your hands on such pluckers or tweezers from anywhere at your local beauty stores or even online. I will make sure that I'll link some in the description box below. Now whenever you get the hair nearby the shape, be very careful that you don't overpluck. So keep on checking in your mirror every now and then that you stay away from that demarcation, okay? Now for the hair above my brows, I'll be combing the hair downwards and then we'll be plucking out any stray hair present over there. Also, it might look painful, but trust me, it is not. I have been doing this for years now. Just make sure you are plucking in the direction of hair growth. Now for trimming them, you really want to brush up the brow hair to see the length of them, and so what you need to do is carefully cut off the tops of brow hair, which make the eyebrows look much more sharp and it makes them easier to fill into. Now make sure that you are using eyebrow scissors for it as they are little bent at an angle at the beginning, which will give you more arched look or more softer look rather than giving you a really sharp look. Then you need to do the same by brushing the hair downwards, which make it easier to see how long the hair are, and carefully cut the bottom of your brow hair. This will again make your brows look much more clean and neat. Now this step is completely optional. If you don't like to fill in your brows, then it's completely up to you, but I personally like to fill them in as they really frame my face really well. And for this step you really don't need to do much, but just begin by brushing your brow hair upwards and then look for any sparse areas to fill them in with the help of any brow pencil or pomade or even any dark brown eyeshadow. And always remember to fill in the direction growth of your hair, as it will mimic your natural hair. Now you can clearly see the difference between a filled and an unfilled. So yeah, that's pretty much it with my eyebrow grooming routine, which I have been following for the years. I really hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.